Inamin nga ni Coach Tim Cone na malaki pa rin ang pag-asa nila Calvin Abueva, Terence Romeo, Jason Perkins at Muwala Tautua na makasama sa Final 12 ng Gilas Pilipinas na gagamitin sa Asian Games. Ang sabi nga ni Coach Tim Cone ay humihinga pa daw ang apat at buhay na buhay pa. At inamin din ni Coach Tim Cone na wala pa nga silang Final 12 para sa Gilas Pilipinas at malalaman pa lang daw ang desisyon sa September 24 bago magsimula ang Asian Games. Doon pa lang daw malalaman kung sino-sino ang makakapasok sa Final 12 ng Gilas Pilipinas para sa Asian Games. Kaya naman ating pakinggan ang buong sinabi ni Coach Tim Cone patungkol nga sa apat na players ng Gilas Pilipinas.
Really? I mean, obviously, the board here, except I think Calvin couldn't make it tonight because of something wrong with his kids. He had a problem with his kids. Calvin's got lots of kids. And so the other three came here. I really appreciate they came here, sat in the crowd, came to the locker room. So I thought that was really cool that they would be here. And so is there no hope for them? They're breathing. That's about all you can say. They're breathing at this point. They're still alive. And they're jumping around being happy, but they're still breathing. So it's told they're still working on it, and we'll have a definitive time by the 24th. But by and large, we got our 12 right now. That's when we're going to continue to practice with. If those four came in suddenly, would we take them? That's a decision we'd have to make. It's likely that we would. Because they actually no longer with us than the leaders.
Kaya naman malaking good news nga yan kila Terence Romeo, Calvin Abueva, Jason Perkins at kay na rin kay Muwala Tautua dahil buhay na buhay pa nga ang pag-asa nilang makapasok sa Final 12 ng Gilas Pilipinas dahil magpasa hanggang ngayon ay lumalaban pa rin ang POC President na si Sir Bumble Tolentino ng appeal sa organizer ng China sa Asian Games na makapaglaro kahit man lang sila Terence Romeo at Calvin Abueva na lang ay payagan na maglaro na sa Asian Games sa Gilas Pilipinas. Ngunit magpasa hanggang ngayon ay wala pa ngang binibigay na clearance at nakapending pa rin. Kaya naman abang-abang tayo, baka magbago ang ihip ng hangin at baka payagan kahit si Terence Romeo at Calvin Abueva man lang. Sa ibang balita naman, nagbigay naman ng saloobin itong si CJ Perez patungkol nga sa nagiging team chemistry ng Gilas Pilipinas. Kaya naman pakinggan natin ang kanyang sinabi.
Actually yung chemistry man hindi na mahirap kasi nagbubugbugan kami sa PTA, nagkakasama ng mga sa labas. So parang madali na lang yung chemistry. So parang sila Scotty tsaka sila Japet tinutulungan kami para matutunan yung offense. So,